Guys, this recipe is for those that complain that their businesses are not going well, their no contracts, their ministry is not going. Any firm that you are into and you know that you are not meeting up to your demand, I mean you are not getting into the expected place, like maybe there is no people patronizing your business or there's no people patronizing your services. And like I said, so this recipe is for those of them. All right, these are the natural things that you can do to boost either your sales, your office, your ministry, or whatever, instead of you doing it in a wrong way, or instead of you soaking your hands in something that is very diabolic. All right, so it's good that you use the natural things that are created by God, all right, to make things working. Sometimes we attract bad energy, sometimes we attract bad people, sometimes it's as a result of evil people. Maybe you are progressing in what you are doing, all of a sudden people started envying you, people started planning evil against you, and things start going bad. All right, this is when you go about doing this recipe. So it's just natural way, and after doing it, believe me, all will be well again. So guys, number one item you'll be needing in doing this is bitter cola. All right, so yesterday we did a video on bitter cola, and a lot of you that watched that video, please don't take it for granted. Go ahead and do that video, and believe me, you are coming back to testify. So the second item you need in doing this is an alligator pepper. Okay, so these are the natural thing, and like you know that alligator pepper does not embark in a shameful journey. So if your hands are not clean, please, before you use an alligator pepper, if you're a Christian, either you go for confection or you just cleanse yourself. All right, what I mean by your hands are not clean, let's assume you've killed somebody before, you've done wrong to somebody, all right, and you know that you're having guilty conscience, please make sure you go for cleansing before you use this alligator pepper, because alligator pepper is a spirit and is a very powerful item that when you use it to pray, it manifests instantly. All right, so but it happens, it go backward when you are not clean in using it. So, and if you're watching me for the first time and you don't know how to use an alligator pepper for the first time, I told you that before you use an alligator pepper, you need to take it through your back and open it before you bring it to the front, and take how many pieces that you want. All right, then you keep it and take it more when you want to use it for another thing. Okay, now in today, like I said, this recipe is for those that is into business or into whatever you are doing. Even if your business is at home, even if you have a shop or your office or your ministry, and people is envying you, all of a sudden you start lacking members, you start lacking customers, things was not going backward, and you want to return this back to the sender. All right, so what I mean by you need to make sure your hands are clean, you need to make sure that you have not been a victim of such. That means you have not think evil, you have not done that particular thing to another person. That is what I mean. Now this is what you do: get your alligator pepper. Okay, now when you get your alligator pepper, you are going to take 21 seeds of alligator pepper. 21 seeds of alligator pepper. So this recipe does not have a particular time to do it. Okay, the only time you cannot do it as a woman, if you are on your monthly flow, please don't do it. Aside that, you are free to do it. Man can do it and woman can do it. Now when you take 21 seeds of alligator pepper, then get your bitter cola like this. You see the way it is, don't peel the back, don't peel the back. Now this is what you do: put it in your mouth and put the 21 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. Then you're going to chew it. Then when you are chewing it, stand at the front of that your shop, that is if you're a business owner, or in front of that your whatever where you are doing it. Even if, like I said, even at home, just make sure that anytime you want to do it, you are standing at the front of door, and make sure that that door is opened. All right, then stand there facing front, all right, looking at the sky, looking at the up, and first of all you thank God for everything. Then you're going to be praying back to sender any power or any man or woman that have done this, that's caused this. Because sometimes you may be in a market and you see that your business is moving, other colleague may be envy of you, and they may do something that you stop selling. That is what I mean. All right, or even if you are not selling at all, maybe you rented a place and you are not selling, you are free to do this particular recipe as well. Now when you put it, remember you are chewing it, you need to feel the hot sensation of these two mixture, especially the alligator pepper. Now you're going to pray back to sender. Whatever that is making this business not to be moving forward, whatever that is causing this business going backwardness, whatever anyone that projected into this business that is making it not to be meeting your demand, that today you are sending it back to sender. Even if it's within the environment, even if it's nobody, or it's the forces within the environment, that today you are using it to scatter them. That as alligator pepper does not back on a shameful message, so shall this recipe, as you're performing it today, that starting from today you want to see changes. All right, then you are going to pray all your heart desire. All right, after praying, now this is what you are going to do. This is part is very, very important. Now you are going to, as you are facing that front, you are going to spit this alligator pepper 7 times. Please don't spit all at once. You're going to spit it, like, let's assume this is my front side. I'm going to spit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, just a little, not that you are spitting everything. Then after you've done spitting, then you turn your back. Okay, now when you turn your back, you are going to spit it at your back again for 7 times. All right, now you spit out, you turn your back, you spit out, that's 7 times. Then you turn your right hand, you spit 7 times. Then you turn your left hand, you spit 7 times. Now you're going to say that wherever the forces are coming, wherever the projection are coming, whatever that is making people not to triple in your chop, to say that today you are scattering them. This is why you need to do it front, back, right, and left. Okay, now after you've done doing it, okay, like I said, I know a lot of you may be asking me, well, LDP, will it be okay with that? Yes, this is something that you're doing, so you don't need to spit everything once. Make sure you do it make sure you do it the way you can spit it within these 4 corners that I just mentioned. This is the 4 corners of the earth. All right, so now this is what is signified. Wherever the projection is coming, that you are scattering it. Then after that, then you spit it, then put water in your mouth, clean the water, and dispose the water. All right, why I said, so that the hot sensation might stop. Now you are done. So you are going to do this for the period of 7 days. So every day, but me personally, I will tell you to do it every morning, because me personally, if I want to make a prayer with alligator pepper, mainly I love doing it early morning when I have not talked to anybody. That is me personally. It doesn't mean that you must do it, but I'm just telling you based on myself. Okay, now anytime you can do it, like I said, morning, afternoon, or evening, go ahead and do it for 7 days. Then watch out how it's going to be. You can do this recipe once in a while, either once in a month, once in 2 months, once in 3 months, once in a year. It depends on you. Praying with alligator pepper is very, very good, and it's just natural. It's not evil and it's not diabolic. It's just natural thing, and it's very, very powerful. Let me tell you, if you understand how to pray with alligator pepper, it's an instant prayer. Believe me, I am not kidding you. It's an instant prayer, especially when your hands are clean. If somebody try to offend you and you pray with alligator pepper, it works out instantly. All right, so the alligator pepper and bitter kola has a lot of spiritual benefit that we might not say. Really, I just did this video because I have a lot of requests concerning this video based on people that is into business, into administration, or into this place. This is the best way to go about it. Don't go to bring something that you don't know the origin, or you don't know the consequences of those things. Rather, use the natural thing created by God and pray to God to open your way, and you see your way open. Even if you are into online business and your spirit asks you to do it, but make sure anytime you want to do this, you are standing at the doorpost, and make sure that that door is open. And believe me, you are going to see the wonders of God and the wonders of nation. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share to my channel, and see you in my next video. Still your girl Promise, saying bye.